Here's the full combined list with the added comments. Here's a revised set of slogans that highlights the Democratic ticket of Kamala Harris and Tim Walz against the Republican ticket of Donald Trump and J.D. Vance. These slogans contrast the Democratic ticket's values with those of the Republican opponents. These options focus on different aspects of the campaign's potential messaging, like unity, progress, and leadership. Kamala Harris and Tim Walz. For progress, not regression, Kamala and Walz, 2024. Building bridges, not walls, Kamala and Walz, 2024. Unity over division, Kamala and Walz versus Trump and Vance. Choose the future, Kamala and Walz, 2024. Progressive values, proven leadership, Kamala and Walz. America's future, Kamala and Walz, 2024. Strength in unity, Kamala and Walz versus Trump and Vance. Lead with compassion, Kamala and Walz, 24. For a better tomorrow, Kamala and Walz, 2024. Defending democracy, Kamala and Walz, 2024. Turning the page, Kamala and Walz versus Trump and Vance. Hope over fear, Kamala and Walz, 2024. Champions of change, Kamala and Walz versus Trump and Vance. Justice, equality, progress, Kamala and Walz, 2024. Empower the people, Kamala and Walz, 2024. Donald Trump and J.D. Vance. Here are some slogan ideas for the Trump and Vance ticket. America first, again, Trump and Vance, 2024. Keep America strong, Trump and Vance, 2024. Renew the promise, Trump and Vance, 2024. Defending our values, Trump and Vance, 2024. Stand up for America, Trump and Vance, 2024. Restore the American dream, Trump and Vance, 2024. Leadership you can trust, Trump and Vance, 2024. Fighting for freedom, Trump and Vance, 2024. America's comeback team, Trump and Vance, 2024. Protecting our future, Trump and Vance, 2024. Reignite the American spirit, Trump and Vance, 2024. Secure our borders, secure our future, Trump and Vance, 2024. Putting America back on track, Trump and Vance, 2024. Stronger together, Trump and Vance, 2024. Bold leadership, bold future, Trump and Vance, 2024. Restoring greatness, Trump and Vance, 2024. America's voice, Trump and Vance, 2024. A future we can believe in, Trump and Vance, 2024. Traditional values, real change, Trump and Vance, 2024. Leading with strength, Trump and Vance, 2024. These slogans emphasize the core messages and values that each ticket might want to convey to their supporters and the broader public. The slogans for the Trump and Vance ticket are designed to resonate with themes often associated with the Republican platform, such as strength, patriotism, and traditional values.